information Alpha, weather 154 Zulu, wind 1308, weather better than 5005, temperature 18, 2.9er, altimeter 29993. Visual runway 13 approach and use advisor missed contact with Alpha. Chico Tower, information Alpha, weather 154 Zulu, wind.
November Bravo, you can make it with Oakland Center. I'll have you over to them in just a couple minutes.
Roger that, November Bravo.
November 89er Yankee, contact Oakland Center 132.2, good day.
132.2, Great Niner Yankee.
Morning NorCal, Delta 850, Cessna.
Morning Oakland Center, Centurion 39er 89er Yankees, descending for Chico.
Yeah, 2 aircraft at once, number 39er 89er Yankee, Oakland Center, Roger, Chico, altimeter 29993.
29993, and we have Alpha at Chico.
Thank you, and the other aircraft checking on, say again?
Seminole 500, we'd like to do one turn in the hold at 1 at 5.
And Seminole 500 Yankee, they're at 1,800 feet now, so again, they should stay below you. No other traffic, just keep an eye out at the 10 to 11 o'clock now and 2.5 miles, 1,800.
Alright, we're keeping an eye out, 89er Yankee, thanks.
89er Yankee, no other traffic between you and Chico, radar services are terminated. You could squawk VFR and Chico Tower is 121.
Alright, squawk VFR, switching to tower, 89er Yankee, thanks. Have a good day. Morning, Chico Tower. Centurion 39er 89er Yankee is 11 miles to the south with Alpha.
39er 89er Yankee, Chico Tower, you're going to have to write down wrong 13 left, report midfield.
Right down wind for 13 left, and we'll report the midfield, 89er Yankee. Gear down. Gear down.
November 89er Yankee, runway 13 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 13 left, 89er Yankee, thanks. Gas undercarriage, mixture, props.
Chico Tower, Cessna 2372 X-ray is ready for departure, straight out.
That's a 2372 X-ray, Chico Tower, hold short, runway 13 left, landing traffic. Cessna 72 X-ray, hold short, runway 13 left, landing traffic.
Hold short, runway 13 left, landing traffic, Cessna 2372 X-ray.
That's 89er Yankee, turn left at Echo. Echo Romeo, taxi approaching this frequency, say destination on the airport.
Exit Echo, and we're going to Northgate for 89er Yankee.
That's 89er Yankee, taxi Northgate, are you familiar?
Negative, this is the first time, 89er Yankee.
Make this next available left turn, taxi towards the control tower, and then make the second right turn, taxi southbound.